Dictation-28 was set up a royal commission on popular education in all the nation. The commissioners at their discretion were to arrange examination, to obtain information from every direction, to the exclusion of none, to call upon physicians, musicians, and educationalists of every class, to take depositions when necessary, and briefly to review the general situation so as to secure satisfaction beyond all mere generalization, and show if there had been progression or retrogression. The commissioner's work was sensational in the facts brought out. There was ample justification for the commission, and the adoption of the commissioner's advice was followed by an alteration in the general scheme of national education.